Hello?
Hello.
Hey, this is Lewis. Give you a call regarding your property on. You just submitted on our site? Awesome. All right. Let me just pull up the file here. Appreciate you reaching out to us. Did not receive a name on the form. Who am I speaking with today? Pleasure to meet you. And just to confirm, that's over in zip code.
No, it's 981148.
Got it. And fire damage property. When did the fire occur? Was this recently?
March of 21.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. And what was the cause of the fire?
It was a battery charger.
Was it like a phone or something like that?
No, it was a battery charger for an off-road vehicle or a car, a battery maintainer.
Got it. Okay.
It really wasn't that bad. I mean, it went through a certain part of the house. The rest got smoke damage. I'm a contractor. I think I could fix it all for 160 grand myself. It's over an acre and it can have 6 dwellings on the property. So there's a lot that could be done with it. There's got lots of potential. It's on a dead end street.
So let me ask you, just out of curiosity, because I know you said you're a contractor as well, and it happened in 2021. What's been going on like since then with the property?
We just left it. We live there. We live here now.
Got it. Oh, so the property is livable. Like you all are staying in the property.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Did you all like do anything to it as far as fixing it up? Because I know sometimes the smoke damage and.
Well, we painted the areas we're living in. Okay. And I braced up one wall that hasn't any problems. It's a brick home. It's a really well built home.
Got it.
4,880 square feet.
4,800. I'm glad you.
4,880.
4,880. Okay. What damage is still on the property?
What's damage?
Yeah, what damage is still on the property?
There's some charred wood. It went through a certain area because I had the bedroom window open, so it sucked up, through there. The rest got smoke damage. Some got charred. Definitely rebuildable. Okay. I think some people would probably come in and just build apartments or something on it.
I was curious to know what the condition was because I know you all are staying in there now, so I was just curious.
Yeah, they never shut the water off, power, or nothing.
Now, I know you said it's 4,800 square feet. I'm glad you mentioned, or 4,880 to be exact. I'm glad you mentioned that because it's reporting at 3,930. How about the beds and baths? Is it 5 beds, 3 baths? Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay.
3 full baths and 2 kitchens.
2 kitchens.
2 laundry rooms.
Oh, wow.
It's all on-demand water heat.
2 kitchens.
It's got in-floor heating in the basement.
Is there any part of the home that is needed to be boarded up that is boarded up, or was the damage not even bad to the extent where anything?
Oh no, I boarded up the areas that needed it.
Got it. You did. You pretty much. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Really nice piece of property.
Sounds like it. Yeah. Did you all have to do anything with insurance? Did you have to file a claim? Has that all been finished up?
Yeah, we filed a claim.
Okay. And everything's done now, right? And is there anything owed on the property?
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit? Okay.
Not much.
Okay.
Under 100,000. When it burnt, it was worth 1.25 million.
How much you are looking for now?
900,000.
Okay.
I mean, it could be 2 homes if you wanted. Like I said, there's two kitchens, 2 laundry rooms, 3 bathrooms.
Do you have any photos of the property that we could see?
What's that?
Do you have photos of the damaged portions of the property that we could see, or would it be easier for us to come see it? Okay.
Yeah, I got full photos.
Yeah, if you could send those.
It got a huge deck that burnt. It's an enormous deck, and that's where the fire started.
And that's pretty much gone?
Yeah.
Or just, okay.
Only part that's left is the 4-foot walkway on the side of the house.
Got it. Okay. If you could send us the photos, that'd be a great start for us. Yeah, and then just out of curiosity, so the price that you are looking for, is that based off of the 2, it's kind of split into 2? Is that kind of what you're basing off of?
Well, no, because the properties, you can have 6 dwellings on the property, so.
Yeah, if you could send over the photos, would it be easier for me to provide an email, or do you want to text them over?
Let's just do both, and I'll pick, because my wife deals with that part, and I'll leave it up to her.
Okay. Let me, 1 second here. So I am going to send you a message with
206-208.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to send you a text message.
Okay, and the emails.
Got it. I'm going to send you a text and an email as well right now.
Okay, that works.
Yeah, let me see here. Okay, awesome. So I just sent you an email and a text as well. If you want to start by sending over everything you have. Yeah. From there, and then we can go from there and see if we like to come over and check it out. And I know you all are there. Just meet you there, just kind of check out the property and see what the scope of work looks like. We can start with the photos. When are you all looking to make a decision by?
The decision by? Well, by the 30th, I'd like to be have a deal in place.
Okay. Do you have any offers right now, or are you just getting started?
I think we dealt with a couple people that might still be interested in it, but we just haven't pursued it. I just was sitting here talking to my wife and figured we'd explore options.
Yeah, get those photos over to me ASAP when you can.
Okay.
And then let's keep the conversation going.
And your name again?
Louis, Louis. And I sent in the text as well and the email.
All right, man. I'll send them over now.
All right. Appreciate you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.